What is up, guys? We've got a comparison video today. We've got your regular run-of-the-mill kind of like shopping cart bag that you can kind of wheel. And then we've got the KEDSUM. This is a 2-in-1 waterproof bag. And this thing holds up to 300 pounds. It's incredibly sturdy. I'm going to show you the main differences. First of all, we'll just cover this one. Very lightweight. This is very sturdy. It's still lightweight. I can still pick it up with one hand, but you feel the sturdiness. This thing feels extremely flimsy, just being honest. The wheels look more legit than they are. They're actually light plastic, and they're going to get crappy real fast. This is super thin and flimsy, could get dented and break very easily. The bag itself, really not that much to it. This one, look at the difference, dude. This thing's incredible. It's got a very solid skeleton. You can see the bag goes around here. This thing can lower or raise. Again, this holds up to 300 pounds, and it's a 60-liter bag. Tons of room in there. Much bigger than this one. Also, you have side pockets here as well, and on the other side. And you have a drawstring here if you need to kind of like get it shut. But when you have this down like this, and you have a pocket here. This is waterproof, so water's not going to get in any of this area. The basic amazing thing about it is what I'm going to show you here in a second. So that's got one wheel, one big crappy plastic wheel. This has 3 wheels that are essentially high quality rollerblade wheels. So we've got a stair right here, and I'm going to show you how easily this traverses the stairs. Boom. So if you're going up a lot of flights of stairs, specifically, look at that. You're good to go. This thing is absolutely amazing. If you get that one, you know what I'm saying. You're a moron. Get this one.